Hello everybody, today I am going to share a video about the video for digestion problem. So this video is for everyone whoever suffers from a digestion problem. So let us go inside the video. So I have taken 100 ml of water, hot water. This is hot water. So I just now heated it, and I have taken a little bit of salt, little bit of baking soda, and little bit of sugar, and half a lemon. So I'm going to add every ingredients to this hot water. So let us see what happens when we are adding. So I have taken the sugar, the baking soda, the salt, and see now what happens. So it forms like a bubbles. Yes, that's it. So just keep it for 2 minutes. After that, you can drink this water. So this is the best solution for all your digestion problems. So someone has like after eating, they won't rest peacefully. So they'll be having a digestion problem where they cannot do any work later. 2 to 3 hours only they can go for other works. So for those kind of peoples, you can take this remedy, and also you can take this remedy in weekly twice. If you're taking this for weekly twice, so your all digestion problems get cleared and you will have a good digestion. You can eat whatever you like. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.